Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download CSS grid generator templates for layouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type CSS grid generator templates and hit enter. Look through the search results for reputable websites that offer grid generator tools. Click on a link that leads you to a CSS grid generator site. Once the site is open, explore the templates available for download. Most sites will have a section dedicated to layout templates. Select a template that fits your design needs. Click on the download button associated with the chosen template. The file will typically download as a zip or direct CSS file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. If it's a zip file, right-click on it and choose Extract All or use your preferred extraction software. Open the extracted folder to find the CSS files and any other resources included. Familiarize yourself with the contents of the folder, including documentation if available. Next, open your code editor of choice. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to use the grid template. Copy the CSS file and any associated files into your project directory. Link the CSS file in your HTML document by adding a link in the head section. Make sure the path to the CSS file is correct. Once linked, begin modifying the HTML structure of your layout using the grid template. Ensure you follow the guidelines mentioned in the documentation for best results. Preview your layout in the web browser to see the applied grid structure. Make any adjustments necessary to meet your design specifications. Save your changes regularly as you work on your project. Continue to experiment with different sections and styles to enhance your layout. Once satisfied, you can further optimize your design based on best practices in CSS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.